In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy gift card on Walmart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose the right card, and what to verify before you head to checkout. Start by opening your browser and going to walmart.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. If you have a Walmart account, it can help to sign in now, so your cart and preferences save automatically, but it's not required to browse. On the homepage, look for the services option in the top navigation. On mobile, this may appear within the menu icon. Click Services, then choose Registry, Lists, and Gifts. This brings you to the area where Walmart groups gifting tools and options. From there, select Shop All Gift Cards. You'll land on a page that includes Walmart branded gift cards as well as gift cards for other popular brands. If you know you want a Walmart gift card for use in Walmart stores or online, choose the Walmart gift card section. If you're shopping for a specific brand or event, you can explore by category or shop by occasion to narrow the results. Filters can help you quickly find e-gift cards for instant delivery or physical cards you can have shipped. Once you see a card you like, select the design or brand you want, then click into it to open the product page. Here, take a moment to review details such as delivery method, any usage restrictions, and availability. For many cards, you can choose between a digital e-gift sent by email and a physical card mailed to you. Digital delivery is usually faster, while physical cards are great for gifting in person. Next, choose the gift card amount. Some cards offer preset amounts like $25, $50, or $100, while others allow a custom value within a set range. Confirm the amount, double-check the delivery method, and ensure the quantity is correct. Click Add to cart. You should see a confirmation that the item was added. When you're ready to review, click View Cart. In your cart, verify the card brand or design, the amount, the quantity, the delivery method, and the estimated delivery timing if it's a physical card. This is a good time to remove duplicates or adjust the amount before you proceed. That's it for selecting and adding a gift card on Walmart's website. From here, you can continue to check out and complete payment as you normally would. If anything looks off, use the back button to adjust your selection. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!